Canva is a great graphic program that offers a lot of ready-made backgrounds for your animation.
But what if I want to create my own? What can I do if Canva doesn't offer better cropping options? Let's take a look. Start by designing a room layout using a simple line. We'll create a rough design of the room with 2 walls and a floor. These lines will help us to arrange the frames. Later, you can delete or keep these lines according to the style of your cartoon. In the elements, we will find the frames. For a simple room, this square will be enough for us. Place and edit the frames according to the lines you place. In layers, place the frames behind the lines. It's a little annoying, but once you do it, you have a finished background that you can use several times and edit easily. Before I place the frames in place, I would like to ask you if you like my videos on animation in Canva. Consider subscribing to my channel. It will help me a lot as a motivation for further content creation. Thank you. Now that we have the frames in place, I'll choose the fill. I'll use such more realistic graphics. And we're done here. Now you can download the background. Quick tip: if you are creating a cartoon where you need just simple colors in your background, just choose your frame color, and when you are satisfied, download the background in SVG format. Then upload the background to Canva, and as you can see, the colors can be changed even after there are no more frames. Then just add a few elements and you have a finished background for your cartoon. Good luck.